Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, it's time for a Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alex Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Josephine。差点搞混了，因为又有英文又有 Hakka. Well, today we're going to talk about springtime because, in Chinese, 其实在中文里面呢，其实我们所谓过春节啊，那在国外的话就是说 Chinese New Year 是农历新年啦。不过春节的意思就是春天要到了嘛，对不对？
春到花开，
春到花开嘛，吉祥话。Exactly. Chinese New Year, actually, when you say it in Chinese, it actually means the Spring Festival.And it signifies that springtime is around the corner. And Alice just gave us a very good saying in Chinese. It's called 春到花开, or in Hakka,
春到花开.
春到花开, which means when spring arrives, all the flowers will be blossoming. And it signifies, a good time, basically. Let's tell people about this, okay? First of all, 春天, 我们再蕊一下,春天怎么说?
春天。
就春天. Okay, that's springtime. And during springtime, of course, as we mentioned, a lot of flowers will start blossoming. 会有花季，对不对？
法规。
法规哦。法规就是花季，不是花开哦。花开是法开。And in Yilan, there's a big festival that's going on, and it's called the Green Environment Exhibition. 据说这个在宜兰的这个博览会是已经进行了好几年了，对不对？
没错。
然后它叫做绿色博览会吗？
错。
怎么说？
绿色博览會。
博之類。綠色博覽會。這樣就記得了耶。Okay, that's the Green Environmental Exhibition, 也就是綠色博覽會。那今年在
蘇澳。
在蘇澳。Su'o is a very well-known place in Yilan County, in which, by the way, you should go visit Yilan because it's very convenient to go there now. It's in a township known as Su'ao or Su'o. Okay. 然后苏澳的哪里？
富乐行。我们五老坑。
五老坑。Okay, so go check it out. It's 绿色博览会 at 宜兰县苏澳的五老坑。All right.So, obviously, there's a lot of festivities going around the island, including Yilan. If you want to see some flowers, you can go there. Or you can even stop by Yamingshan. There's a lot of places that are blossoming with flowers. So have a great springtime. That does it for today's Hakka lesson of the day.
什么泰嘎？
俺只say 张来了。
客家风情由行政院客家委员会独家赞助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.